Colmar, the living fairy tale of Alsace. Few places on this planet capture the storybook essence of Europe quite like Colmar. Tucked into the Grand Estate region of northeastern France, this capital of Alsatian wine sits gracefully upon the Loch River, a silver thread weaving through a tapestry of timber and stone. To understand Colmar is to understand a city that has lived between two worlds. Located in the shadow of the Vosges Mountains, and just a stone's throw from the German border, it has spent centuries caught in a tug-of-war between two of Europe's greatest powers. This geographical middle ground created a culture that is uniquely, defiantly Alsatian, a blend of French refinement and Germanic hardiness. As you step into the old town, the modern world doesn't just fade, it vanishes. You are stepping into a living museum where the air smells of wood smoke in the winter and blooming geraniums in the summer. The streets are a labyrinth of pedestrian-only alleys where the medieval, the Renaissance, and the neoclassical coexist in a delicate balance. Every corner turned reveals a new angle of pastel-colored facades, salmon pinks, sky blues, and mustard yellows, each a silent witness to 1,000 years of history. Perhaps the most iconic district is La Petite Venise, or Little Venice. This was once the heartbeat of the city's commerce, where the houses sit directly on the water's edge. In the Middle Ages, this was the quarter of the professional boatmen, tanners, and wine merchants. To see it today is to see a vision of tranquility. Flower-filled balconies reflect in the dark water as flat-bottomed boats, much like those used 5 centuries ago, glide silently past. In the medieval era, the color of your home was your business card: blue for a fisherman, red for a blacksmith, and yellow for a baker. Today, that utility has transformed into a palette that artists travel thousands of miles to capture. Moving deeper into the city's core, you'll find the Coiffus, the old custom house. Completed in 1480, this was the economic engine of the region. Its jagged, multicolored glazed roof tiles are a hallmark of high-status Alsatian design. Nearby stands a Renaissance masterpiece, the Maison de Têtes, House of the Heads, adorned with 106 small stone heads, some grotesque, some comical. It is a flamboyant display of the wealth and artistic ambition that has defined Colmar for generations. Beyond the aesthetics, Colmar is a cultural heavyweight. Many are surprised to find a 12-meter tall replica of the Statue of Liberty guarding the northern entrance to the town. This is no random tribute. Colmar is the birthplace of Frederick Auguste Bartholdi, the visionary sculptor who designed the original Lady Liberty. A visit to his ancestral home, now a museum, reveals the sketches of a man who dreamed in massive proportions, linking this quiet French commune to the harbor of New York City. For the art lover, the Unterlinde Museum is a pilgrimage site. Housed in a 13th century convent, it holds the Eisenheim altarpiece, a work of such visceral power that it has moved viewers for half a millennium. The museum offers a bridge between medieval religious roots and the contemporary art of today, all within the silent, peaceful walls of an ancient cloister. But you cannot speak of Colmar without speaking of the vine. As the capital of the Alsatian wine region, the city is surrounded by rolling hills draped in vineyards. This is the land of world-class Riesling and Gewürztraminer. In the local wind stubs, traditional wine inns, the aroma of fresh pretzels, chucrut garni, and flamequeck fills the air. The food is designed to sustain, reflecting the soul of the Rhineland. As the sun dips behind the Vosges, the city reveals its final magic. Colmar was one of the first cities in Europe to implement a sophisticated light plan. Thousands of hidden fiber optic lights highlight the intricate timber frames, casting a golden, ethereal glow over the canals. It is a subtle enhancement that makes the city feel like it is dreaming. Whether you visit for the summer blooms or the world-famous Christmas markets, Colmar remains a pocket of preserved history, a world icon of charm for very good reason.